Hello everyone, this is Mark. Our previous videos covered various aspects of ISO 9001 Clause 922. If you missed them, check the links below to catch up. Today, we'll wrap up our internal audit discussion by addressing the final requirement: documented information. Stick around because at the end, I'll introduce a lean audit plan that can replace all your traditional audit documentation. The clause requires organizations to retain documented information as evidence of the implementation of the audit program and its results. While this may seem straightforward, many companies overcomplicate it. Let's break down typical documentation approaches and see how we can simplify the process. Most companies document their internal audit program using multiple layers of documents. Even though ISO management system standards, except ISO 13485, haven't required quality manuals since Annex SL in 2012, many organizations still clutter their systems with these outdated documents. So, typically, documentation starts with a quality manual that rewords the standards requirements, replacing the organization shall with we will. The next, you guessed it right, the audit procedure. This document typically copies the standard again with lengthy elaboration on auditors' independence, qualifications, the planned intervals, etc. Then we have the audit schedule, which finally outlines priorities, responsibilities, and timelines. However, there's a clear disconnect between the procedure and the plan in many cases. The procedure may reference all the right elements like process importance, past audit results, and changes, yet the schedules rarely reflect these considerations. Let's see how we can streamline all this into a lean audit program. Let's create responses to meet the standards requirements. The quality manager prepares an annual audit plan by December of the current year. Trained auditors conduct audits, ensuring objectivity and impartiality. Auditors complete and distribute reports within 5 business days of the audit. The quality manager updates the plan after each audit and retains reports per the records management process. Now let's combine this simple audit instruction with our annual audit schedule. The schedule lists the processes to be audited, prioritizing them based on risk. As discussed in previous videos, an effective way to determine criticality is using an FMEA-style table. This table evaluates 4 factors: process importance, ranked on a scale from 1, low, to 3, high. Previous non-conformities, no NCs, 1, 1 NC, 2, multiple NCs, 3. Changes to the process, no changes, 1. Some changes, 2. Significant changes, 3. Detectability of NCs, hard to detect, 1. Moderate, 2. Easy to detect, 3. In this case, the risk priority number, RPN, is calculated as the importance times NCs times changes, divided or multiplied by the detectability, depending on the dependability scale, 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. While this is not a standard requirement, organizations should also consider regulatory requirements in some systems. Applying this variable will be very helpful in regulated industries such as medical devices, environmental and safety, etc. Any way you structure your FMEA, the RPN provides a total score for prioritizing audits. You can obviously adjust the scoring system to fit your organization's needs or preferences. Finally, the schedule identifies who will audit each process and when. So, why can't this audit schedule with embedded instructions be your entire internal audit documentation? I believe it can and should. If you like this idea, feel free to download a free PDF of this schedule from our website. If you think this approach doesn't meet the standards requirements, write me up. I'll send you a free link to my ebook ISO Management Systems, The Lean Revolution. If you provide a valid justification, let's summarize what we covered today. Eliminate unnecessary documentation. Ditch the quality manual and audit procedure. Place short instructions within your audit schedule. Use an FMEA-based table to prioritize processes. Streamline your internal audit program with a lean approach. That's it for today, folks. As always, check out the free resources on our website. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need help implementing a lean ISO management system. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to support the Lean QMS project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.